The visual analysis lesson will be located in Canvas. So I've already signed in. We're going to go to English 6, the first 9 weeks. The lessons are numbered and they're in order in the way that you'll be teaching them. But before we look at the visual analysis lesson, I wanted to find it on the big picture for the first 9 weeks. So let's open that up to see how many days have been allotted for you to teach the lesson. I like to hang the big picture in the classroom for the students to see, just to get a good visual of what's to come and what they've accomplished. So if you look on week 2, you'll see visual analysis is a lot. We have allotted 1, 2, 3 days for you to teach this lesson. All right, so we're going to close out of that and go down to the lesson itself and look at the teacher notes. So the teacher notes are really important to look at before you teach the lesson. Sometimes there may be things that you need to make or prepare before starting the lesson, so it's really important that you look over those and read those really carefully. Let's look at about the lesson. This lesson analyzes a visual text for imagery and detail. Students will use the sensory words from a mood web to complete activities that will enhance their understanding of parts of speech and sentence purposes. It tells you your materials and resource list here, which will be given to you later on in the lesson. It gives you ideas for assessments that you could use. And then here are your teaching suggestions. So there are 3 activities in this lesson. Activity 1, it gives you step-by-step of what you should do. Of course, these are suggestions, but it lets you, it gives you an idea of how you could present it. The goal here of the lesson will be that the students are able to create a sentence determining the mood of the picture, that explains the mood of the picture. But with doing that, they're also going to be working on the skills of parts of speech and sentence purposes.